Alright, this is gonna be the new project, guys, and it's gonna be the new track build. This is a 89 SI hatch. So there's gonna be a lot of work we're gonna be doing for this one. So I'm gonna start a series of videos with this. What's up, guys? Making another video. This is a little update on the new project on the hatch. So what I'm doing is cleaning up the bay, wire brushing, taking off the old paint. We're gonna get this respray. I haven't decided what color, but we're gonna paint the whole bay. So this is the goal. So hopefully next couple weekends I can knock it out. On the hatch. So took out the front spindles and also the subframe as well. Brake lines, put them inside a bottle for the brake fluid won't leak out. So the plan is I'm gonna sand this down and prep it for the bed liner or undercoat. I mean, I'll do it on the other side as well. And after that, we're gonna work on the back as well. Drop the rear trailing arms. Prep the engine bay. We're gonna be stitch welding. So I took off most of the sealer. So I just gotta cover this too, the brake line. Take off this, the fuel filter. And I gotta cover the brake lines. Take off the booster, master cylinder. And then I gotta fix this. So I'm gonna try and look for some material, try and weld it. And stitch weld the rest over here. And so I can try and primer it and paint it. I haven't decided what color to paint it yet. So this side, water bottle. We're making some progress, guys. Took off the coilovers, the exhaust, the whole one piece. It was kind of annoying. This is the interior. Stripped it, gut it. We're gonna be working on this inside here too. So I'm trying to get some video content for you guys. I'll keep you guys updated on it, because I know it's been a while. I haven't posted anything about the hatch, but we're making some progress, guys. I hope you guys like the content and subscribe and keep keep you guys updated on the next one. Thank you.